Studies show that you can trigger a strong force inside your body that can eliminate cancerous cells. Have you ever heard that exercise could actually help your body fight cancer? Actually, there is a force in your body that is something far more powerful than you might realize, and that can literally blow apart cancer cells. Stick with me, because this is one of the coolest ways your body protects itself. Cancer cells, those troublemakers, sometimes break away from a tumor and float through your bloodstream. They're looking for a new place to set up camp, which is how cancer can spread to other parts of the body. But it's not as simple as floating from point A to point B. The bloodstream is like a fast-moving highway, and the journey through it can be rough. And this is where exercise comes in. When you exercise, your heart pumps faster, sending blood rushing through your veins. The faster your blood moves, the more force it generates. This force is called shear stress, or shear force. Imagine being in a tiny boat on a calm river. That's what cancer cells experience when you're sitting still. But when you exercise, it's like the river turns into a rushing torrent, and cancer cells are those tiny boats, barely hanging on. Your healthy cells are like sturdy, well-built boats. They're strong and can handle this rush of blood. But cancer cells? They're weak. They're not built for these conditions. They have fragile membranes, like paper-thin walls, and they don't have the structural support that normal cells do. So when the blood starts moving faster, cancer cells get tossed around, damaged, and often destroyed. Under this shear stress, the cancer cell's membranes start to break down. They lose their shape, their insides get all scrambled, and eventually, many of them just pop. It's almost like the bloodstream becomes a battlefield, and the cancer cells are fighting a losing war. This discovery has even led researchers to explore new cancer treatments based on this very idea. They're looking at ways to boost blood flow or increase shear stress in the bloodstream as a way to target cancer cells, using the body's natural forces to give cancer a knockout punch. But you don't have to wait for some future treatment to help protect yourself. Every time you move, whether it's a brisk walk, a run, or a swim, you're giving your body a fighting chance. You're creating a hostile environment for cancer cells and giving your immune system the boost it needs to stay on top of things. The more you move, the harder it is for cancer cells to survive. Every time your heart beats faster, you're creating these beneficial effects. Did you know about this amazing force? Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And see you in the next one.